Dang, I look rough. I do the front camera. You hungry?
Would you hungry is hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, we hungry.
Finally get my car tuned. Oh, probably won't be able to see
5 years later.
Yeah, it has been that long, hasn't it?
Okay.
I mean, the H22 didn't do so hot. I really wish I didn't get so messed up about it, like, you know, in my head.
Yeah, I told you to keep that shit in one
H22?
Yeah.
All it was a harness.
Yeah, that's it. It was that cut-up harness that I had. But, I mean, at least this one's a lot better off. The only thing that was cut on this harness was the knock sensor in the back. And that's it. You gotta cut them off. You can't get them off any other way.
Well, at least he's back alive. Back on the road.
Well, you know, since my car is gonna be down for a while, but you know, have fun until you start seeing my bumper.
Oh, I'm gonna see it.
You know,
I know I will. You have a lot more power coming. There's no way. Now, him and me, gonna have fun. He's gonna win. Driver, inexperienced.
we'll start talking once you be Marvin.
Yeah, it's not happening in this car. I wish I could
Hey,
beat him.
next year for me then, for Marvin.
Yeah, I mean next year with the block and redo the head, better trains.
We're allowed to park all in the car. All on the side of the left and side of the it's probably about this wide across, but it's probably about.
I don't know about 340.
340.
And I don't have the same as Marvin. I got less compression.
How do you know Marvin has 340?
That's what he said.
How does
Or he
know?
said it was like 350. Well, because that's what he said the guy from Tuning Others felt like it was.
I mean, it's 10 pounds, bro.
Yeah, I mean, that's what
On the
Pilo
85,
said.
the 85 helps.
I just know he's got higher compression, though,
Wow.
don't he? He's got higher compression.
Ooh.
Marvin.
Yeah, he has a DSR. He got a better.
That's 11, ain't it? 11, 5 to 1.
Yeah, you're
Who?
good.
Who's LS? I mean, yeah, I got an LS, but he's 10.5, ain't he?
LS is better than
Why is that?
the compression loop.
Oh, because it's lower. Make it safer.
Depends on the example. I guess just to see how you know, it up or whatever.
I guess we're going to find out. Stay tuned. Oh, it's bad suspension. Alright guys, so it's Sunday. I've been debating on if I should post, but I haven't posted in a while, so this is what you guys got. We're having issues either with the ECU or the Honda. We're pretty sure. It's a good guess that it's the Honda. I have version 2 of S300. At about 5,900 RPM, it stops letting us record, so we're having to guess. There's a lot of vibration in the recordings, and that's why if you notice those quick clips, it's shutting off. We're having to cut it so we don't hurt the motor. It's spooling nice. It runs really nice. It loves the E85. At about 5,000 RPM, it's already hitting 11 pounds. The numbers are not impressive at all, because he was just trying to iron everything out. Pilo was doing the best he can. On Monday, hopefully, he will be able to test out a different ECU, and from there, we can determine if I need a new Honda. Probably best if I do. Also in the video, if you noticed, I'm bouncing a lot in the front. The suspension is worn out. The car is sat for a long time. I'm going to buy something new. I'm not really sure. I'll probably do like an install video with that. And then I'll probably do like a part 2 of the tune if possible. If they get it done while I'm at work, it happens. I'll at least do some pulls with you guys. I'm really not too sure what else it could be. It was getting late. It was hot. Once we figured all this out, I kind of quit recording. But yeah, thank you. Hope you enjoy. I'll post a picture at the end on the last dyno numbers that I got. They're really horrible. They're not even close to 200. But like I said, we were just trying to iron things out first, and then start running into the either the ECU or the Honda. But I don't really think it's the ECU, because we could still drive it. If you guys got any ideas on what it might be, post below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, till next time.